going to give you just 2 problems that you're going to do completely on your own. And from there, we're going to do a little bit of, you're going to be moving a bit depending on what I observe when you do those 2 problems. And then from there, we'll get to our quizzes last. So by the time you leave today, you should feel way more confident in factoring, really, any problem that's in standard form, whether the first coefficient is 1 or not. Okay? So, that being said, you and your partner need 1 whiteboard and a marker to share. If you are a triad, that is fine. Actually, Ashley, I'm going to have you move next to Joseph, please. You guys will be a triad today. 1 whiteboard, 1 marker, real quick. Let's recap Sage Scribe. Somebody tell me how Sage Scribe works. Tell me one thing. Monica, what's one thing we know about Sage Scribe?
Only 1 person doing the problem.
Okay, 1 person's doing the problem or doing the thinking, right? Who is that person? Okay, we'll start. Pause. The person who is going to be solving the problem will be the person who's most confident to start. Okay? That person has the marker and whiteboard or no? No. So remember, writers, you're just writing whatever the sage is telling you. Okay? So whoever's more confident, you do not have the marker and the whiteboard to start. Okay? We ready? Here's your first one. We'll ease into it today. It's Monday. I get it. We'll ease into it. Okay? Copy the problem and then Sages. Take it away. Please make sure you check. You must check.
And then
Good.
just 4 times. And then 10 goes into it twice. 5 goes into it 4 times. And 10, 2. Alright, I think this one. Let's try this one. Yeah, let's try for it. I didn't know it. That's it.
10 seconds. Most of us are checking.
Is it wrong that I'm thinking about it more than you?
5,
Which makes my mind
4,
more complex.
3, 2, 1. You shouldn't need to hold them up for me because you should have checked, right? Your 2 factors should be x plus 4 and x plus 5, yes? Okay, erase, switch roles. Here's your next one.
I like that one. What are you doing, bro?
If the sage is struggling, you can coach them a bit. Remember, don't just give them the answer. You should be coaching them if they need a little help. There you go. Ooh, hang on. Don't do that one yet. Psych, sorry. I want you to do this one. Go ahead. Sorry.
I'm doing this for you. Come on now. What do you do, man? You gotta tell me.
Well, not square. Oh.
Good. Some of you are brainstorming together. That's absolutely okay. If you're struggling, talk it out.
Ha! We did it faster this time.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I had coffee.
Yeah.
I'm already.
What else be true?
I had a large coffee. Milk caramel. Cream.
Okay.
I woke up at 6:30.
I woke up at 2.
If the first combination you try doesn't work, try another one.
I'm good. This is the first time I got coffee in the morning. Not like when we did this. And then here it is.
If you're catching it though, that's good.
And then right after.
Try a different combination if the first thing you tried didn't work.
Dude, he's slacking today. I don't know what it is. I think it's
So it's my fault?
He woke up at 2.
You know what that kind of thing is? No, I'll be like this, because there's barely anything there.
10 seconds!
So you're gonna live in all of me.
Wonder what you were doing, you little text player.
Thanks, buddy.
Is he always listening to our conversation?
Absolutely. I am.
If you can. It's kind of like, it catches me off guard every time. He just turns around. He's like,
That's who I am.
Yeah. That's what I
like, oh, hi.
He's very nosy.
5,
That's how we
4, 3, 2. Eyes up here, please. I need your undivided attention, please. Thank you. A lot of you started here, right? Makes sense. Because usually we want to choose the ones that are closest together because that's usually how it works. Is this the correct factors of 4 that I should be using for this? So, I'm glad many of you started there and then you realized, okay, maybe I need to try this. Yes? My signs are easy, right? Because it's all positive, and we should have 4x plus 5.
Yeah.
And x plus 1. If we were to double check, that'd be 4x squared. That gives me 4x plus 5x, which gives me the 9x. 5 times 1 is 5. Question.
Could you also have 4x in the other one, and then have 1 in the first one?
So, tell me if this?
And then, but 4x is on the second one.
You're just like switching the.
Am I following you or no?
Yeah, that one.
Yes? This? Is this saying the same thing?
Yeah.
Can anybody tell me the property that allows us to write it either way?
I don't know, man.
For this chocolate bar, listen, you only get one guess. Raise your hand if you think you've got a guess. What is the property that allows me to write it this way? You gotta raise your hand or your answer don't count. That allows me to write it either way. Monica, what's your guess?
Distributed property?
No.
Ooh.
No, but that's a good guess.
Associative?
No.
Who's guessing?
Commutative property.
That's
Commutative property allows me to flip-flop. Okay. Erase and switch towns. Nice work, Trey.
Hey, Carlos.
Here's your next one. Switch roles. If you haven't been to Sage yet, because maybe you've been a little hesitant today, you need to be the Sage right now. Here you go. Here we go.
Okay, so square parentheses, 5.
Negative, I already know.
5 minutes.
Where do you want to do it for?
No, deep.
Just put a positive word.
And then 4 times 5, so 4 over here.
Good. I sense some of you are gaining confidence. If you're still struggling, that's okay. Talk it out. Make sure you're asking questions.
Square 120. How come you both have that? Is that 19? And then this one. Yeah, it's just,
It's gonna be 2 and 2 or 4.
check it, guys. Oh, wait, no, it's 1 and 4.
You're welcome.
Nice. Perseverance on a Monday. I like it. Love it. Don't erase, please, when you're done. You said where you got the lead?
No, you said 2 and 2. I said 1.
Good. I took 2.
No, but I said no.
What? It's not 2 and 2.
If you're struggling, here's my hint. We're not using 2 and 2 as our factors of 4. That's my hint. Don't use 2 and 2 as your factors of 4. There's your hint. You got 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3. I need your attention. 2, 1. Pause where you're at, please. The factors of 5 make our life a little easy here, yes? What does this tell me? Your signs have to be one of each, right? Usually we wait till the end on that. Okay? 5x, what do we have for the factor that's with the 5x here? 5x minus 1 and x plus 4. I'm going to check my linear terms. The first linear term I get here is 20x, right? And negative 1x, does that combine to give me my 19x? Yes. Okay? The biggest thing is that you make sure your linear term adds correctly and it's the correct sign. Positive 19x. Okay? All right. Last one. We're going to do one more. Thank you for your conversations today. Good stuff happening. 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. Go ahead. Make sure the sage is the one speaking. Scribes, you're just writing.
Dude, that's what
multiply to the last thing and add to this. So you always should be thinking, okay, what are my factors of 5? In this case, our life is right? So you get into the okay. Whatever I put here, what happens?
So now I have to.
Well, just the total sum of my linear terms has to sum to a -2x, right? But so let's think about okay, am I gonna put 5 here or 1 here? Let's think logically here for a minute. Why would I not?
How I worked my last one, I chucked it everywhere. I would just throw it.
Only hang out with like
Careful. Careful.
yeah, 5.
This, remember, we're distributing this, right? So that'll give me the 3x, but if I multiply the 3x times the 5,
Yeah.
-15, that's huge.